Assalamu alaikum. This is engineer Ziad Albasir again in this training video about Primavera B6 EPPM. Now, as I mentioned in the other video that I am here in my small lab, and if you notice here in this desktop, it's a screen linked to the desktop, and if you go, let's go to system, okay. And the device name is ZDT01. The description of this is i7 2600 3.4 gigahertz and 12 gigabyte RAM. Okay, and 64-bit operation system is Windows 64. Okay, and the system is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, and this is the desktop. If I go to the laptop, and you go to system here, okay, sorry, I went to the wrong place, so we'll go to just write system here, system information. Okay, so Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. Okay, name of the machine is ZLT, which is the main connection. Here the name of the machine is ZDT01. Okay, 64 of course, as we said. So this one is 2.4, this one is 3.4. okay, this is 7100 CPU. Okay, 2 cores. This is an old one actually in the processor, but more gigabyte. Okay, and so this is the two systems. Okay, now this one has this database for SQL Server. Let's close this one and let's open the SQL Server also here. Here, if you see, we have I have ZLT SQL Server here. This is the only server in the SQL Server 2014 system. There is nothing else except it, and I open it here. And here you have this one, which is ZDT01 SQL Server, and this is the username and password, and open it. So different databases. Okay, different databases in the two machines. So this machine include only this few databases, and this machine has a lot. So let's keep in this one here. Let me get out of this. Okay, and I have here an issue with the battery. I think I need to connect to the electricity, so wait for me. Okay, sorry, I just connect the electricity to the laptop. It was running out of battery. So this is the a lot of databases here. So I'm doing a lot of testing, to be honest with you, with a lot of things. Some of them for some clients. Now in this desktop, I just closed the SQL Server, and let me open it again. But this time, I will not log to the SQL Server inside the desktop. I will log in. If you notice here, this is ZDT01 Ziad desktop, or company name desktop. So let's change it to ZLT. Okay, and password, username, and let's connect. Now it's connecting to the other machine. Now if you go here, you will see it will open the same server, SQL Server, on the other side, on the other machine. Now this, of course, they are connected to the same network. Okay, so they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you see here now, it open all the databases, which they are here. So all these databases are open in the same place. Now, if you notice also, now if you see, there is nothing in the taskbar. Okay, I didn't launch the Web Logic or the Node Manager or anything. Okay, all are supposed to be off, but they are online. If I go to the my system here and open Chrome, and I go and open Primavera V6, it's on because I made them on when as a startup. So when the machine is on, the system is on. Okay, here the same. If I open Chrome and then open it, and it is linked to the other machine in the desktop. Okay, so they are here. If I go here and choose EPPM 2050, open please, and I go to this one, and it shows EPPM 2050 and sign. Now they will go in, okay, as a testing machine in the same one. Now it's allowed to have same access to the same system at the same time. If you notice now, the desktop open faster because it's 12 gigabyte, and the desktop is still on to open, but it's opened again. So this is what is there. If you didn't understand what's really happened in the previous video, which explained the same, the idea is you can install the EPPM in different machines, different SQL server, even SQL server in the same machine. Of course, you can do more than one server in the same machine, and do different databases connections, and you connect them in different machines, different locations as you like. Now, this desktop is linked to this laptop. Now, if I work in the laptop, and then for whatever reason I want to work in the desktop because I have to, I can access it very simply. Of course, if this is within the network of the Wi-Fi system, if I have VPN, for example, and I'm outside of my office, and I have the laptop, and I worked in the desktop here, I can access the same. I think you understand what I mean. So I can work in the desktop here, and then link to this the laptop easily. Now this is two machines, no cable, just Wi-Fi, and linking to the same databases, to the same EPPM. Even the desktop has a different EPPM system, but it's linked to the laptop EPPM system. So in the future, I will explain to you how I did this and how can you do it easily in a simple steps. Next 3 days, I will show you how to install Primavera EPPM, and that will be the start for you, at least to install it in your machine, start some training, and you can follow us in the training. We will concentrate on our future training on EPPM as much as we can. Thank you very much for joining us. This is Ziad Albasir. Most welcome. Please subscribe and like the videos if you like it, to encourage us to do more. Your support is important for us to let us do more. Thank you very much.